Hello, every single one of you been to forecast, monthly forex forecast for August. My name is Elviro. I am your forex trader, your economist, your helper to understand this understandable market. So if you want to learn more from me, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for way more content, because I'm not done with this amazing value to you. So what are we going to do today? We're going to go through dollar, yen, gold, silver, whatever you want me to go through. You are going to be the star of the show. You're going to tell me what you should look for. I'm going to package it into something understandable so you and me can be on the same page, fundamentally, technically, emotionally, psychologically, sentimentally thing. So what we are going to do right now, I'm going to introduce myself. I have been trading forex for 8 years. I am only here to find new traders that needs help or people that doesn't know how to do things. So we will help them out. Though I'm only going to tell you what I'm going to tell you only for education purposes, not financial advice. You need to use your own brain to find your own trade setups, and I'm only saying what I'm going to do. So whatever I'm going to do is not projected to be a financial advice. Okay, cool. I'll understand that. Cool. So what we're going to do today, we are going to we have Harold in the building. We have Robson. A nice t-shirt. Yeah, I think that's pretty good, isn't it? Princess is here. Ahmad is here. Happy day all day. Fantastic, eh? We have Prince in the house. Yeah, we have Prince in the house. That's cool. Nice t-shirt. Yeah, amazing. Thank you very much. Robson says, so for those who are here and you're like, where the crap have you been? I'm here. And then we're going to do something amazing today. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say, if you want to follow me on Instagram, there you go. You know, pretty good, eh? If you then want some mentorship, there is on evanfx.com. It is for me to teach you how to reprogram your brain if you don't understand what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, why things are happening. I'm here to help you out. One, there is $149 for 3 months, or somewhere in this world there is $350 for 6 months. Okay, that's all you. That's my only thing I'm going to say today. It's only for me to help you. If you want help, that's okay. If you don't want help, that's if you don't want that, cool. That's all. Everything else on that is on FX. Cool. Then we're good to go. Hello from Hamburg. Sehr gut. Willkommen, Oscar. Hi from how do you say in Tyskland? Yeah, Tyskland. We said Tyskland region. No, that's true. Willkommen und yeah, I was about to speak Swedish, by the way. Jättebra. Okay, so first of all, trading pairs. What trading pairs do you want me to cover today? Okay, cool. What trading pairs do you want me to cover today? And then while I talk and while I think, I just need to, what's the link to that thing? always forget. Okay, so we have to go to Discord then. Oh, Michael. Hi. Welcome. Tommy Lee says USDCAD. We have, oh, my screen went away. We have USDCAD. We have pound yen. We have CAD yen. Oh, Sammy is back in town. You have been no show. Did you look at Euro? Did you look at Euro Danish at any point? Yeah, I'm more interested in the region once it's in the region, by the way. But like the more fun to talk about Norwegian kroner because they're going to increase interest rates. So that's kind of a very strong notion for the Norwegian kroner. I don't know how Denmark is doing financially, economically, physically, or mentally, whatsoever. So for me, Denmark is well. What's strength? What's the strength of Denmark? What's the strength of Denmark? That's wondering about, right? So I want to make that one. Yen pairs, pound Aussie. Yes. That was someone else. Pound Aussie. Bullish entered at 1865. Okay, we can look at that. Okay, cool. So we have all now understood what to look for. Cool. Look at. Then I'm live there, and then we're good to go. Cool. So things are yeah. I know, but you should tell me, like, if people break up, something like that happen. I'm no stranger danger, right? Nobody. Yeah. Happy to see you. Oh, I got my beard. But yeah, I'm in Africa now, so I'm closer to you, bro. I don't know if I can just go to Oman though, any chance. But okay, cool. So, sorry, people. Let's start it. Is it breaking the connection? I am sorry, but I am on a laptop because the shop that was supposed to give me a computer did not give me a computer today. It was supposed to give it yesterday. So I'm sorry. Tell me if it breaks. I will think twice so that you guys can, be nice, right? Cool. Great. Cool. Okay, so. So yeah, I do. I wanted to be in a much better computer at this point. Okay, so let's go. So I gave to my mentorship students Friday and yesterday. I told them what they should look for. Okay, so I'll go through that with you a bit later. And you still need to know my rules, and probably should by now understand what I'm thinking in all kinds of ways and stuff like that. But let's start with Aussie. Why is Aussie bearish now? Well, one, China. One, China has peaked economically. They have their PMI has hit like a 7-month low. Their services PMI has hit something low. What does that mean? The manufacturing and service PMI is basically purchasing manager index asking purchasing managers, are you going to increase your stocks? Are you going to decrease? What are you going to do? So they say, no, we're not doing well now. That is not a good idea. That's not good. That's one. China's not doing well. Why is China important here? Because China buys iron ore from Australia, which Australia is very dependent to sell to China. So there's an interlinking there. There is lockdowns in Australia that is, as we all have seen, it's not good for the economy. It's in Sydney, and they also put out, was it the military? To make people not go, you're not allowed to go more than 10 kilometers. I have a friend in Sydney, and pretty bad. So at the moment, Australia is not doing too well. Now, that would also be the same case for New Zealand. But the reason why it's not the same case for New Zealand is because New Zealand might increase interest rate 18th of August, May. So what is that going to do with New Zealand dollar? That's going to send it to the moon. So I'm not going to be so bearish on New Zealand, but both of them would then fall with this kind of information. What is the other information is CPI is sky high, GP is high, and interest rates are low, and they're probably going to go higher. And I also saw, was it ING or Westpac that said that Australia needs to increase their QE. What does that mean? That means more supply of money to the economy to boost it makes Australian dollar go down. So that's the fundamentals today. Is it breaking still? So I'm going to look for shorts of Australia dollar in August. The other thing is seasonality. Generally, Australia tends to fall, and they tend to fall mostly around the, and I told the YouTube members a couple of hours ago which day that was. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So right now, what do we have? We have a downtrend. We have psychological level 774. We have a lower low on the lower time frame. We then need a pullback. So number one, this is the first sell point. The third is the downtrend. Fourth is the lower low. 5 is the sell area to look for. 6 is 73, and the one fully looking for the most is 72. That is a give or take 2. Is it 2? No, it's 170 pips. Something. Oh, I'm not showing a screen. Okay. That's the. I don't know. Okay, should we just start again? Okay, let's start again. Okay, number one. That's my first sell. So those my first trade plan. Number one. Number two. That is what I'm thinking might happen by end of August-ish, towards September. We have a downtrend. We have some kind of, I don't know, resistance one Friday. Hopefully it will come back. Hopefully it will come back on Monday, Tuesday evening, up to 73, 76, give or take. It's the area, not the price. So if it doesn't come so high, I'm sorry. If it goes higher than 73, 79, 76, it doesn't bother me. Where you put your stop loss, Mike? You put your stop loss above the previous high. And if it takes you out, only have 1% risk, and you're good to go. Now, are you not seeing my screen? Are you seeing my face now? You're seeing my screen now, right? Come on, bro. I'm not showing my face. Only. Yes, we see. Good. Then we are going. And I'll see whatever. I'm gonna sell it. Okay. Whatever. Okay. So, if you guys don't know, I'm not going to show it to you. To this room. There's a lot more, like around me right now. There's curtains. There is something on the floor. There is a lot of measures being made to make this space less roomy. And I saw the other video I just did. I'm sorry. So I need to change your microphone. But apparently. Siva says, good to see you. Yeah, good to see you too. So, good. DXY, I think we're going to have a bullish run. And why do I think dollar is going to have a bullish run? It's because I think August is going to be a risk off. Risk off means dollar strength, yen strength, and the other one weak. The other thing is that I want to mention here is that America is going for vacation now, or for those who has vacation. So for those who has vacation, we can say, what will they do? They will probably take their profit and go somewhere else. Okay, so if they take profit on their shorts, this is going to go up. So there is a higher high on Friday. That's pretty good. And there's a kind of double bottom around 91.80. Dreams, I can dream, it's always dreaming. So I do hope that we can do something like this, eh? But then we all know that this is resistance at around 92.40. So be aware that this could then fall down. What do I mean when I say that? I mean that you don't worry, don't be scared, understand there is somebody else out there that is going to sell it, but you are the best trader, so you don't fear, you take your loss, and you leave the market when you are wrong. Okay? Good. Shows gold. Yeah, we'll go do gold. Investor, finally you are there. Hey, Maida. How are you? Nice to see you back. Yeah. You guys are coming late, brothers. Come on. I hope you're doing very well, Maida. I hope that your situation is still well and you have not gone underwater by any way. So yeah, that's all. Because I don't think I saw it in the last meeting. So all that. So I don't know why I did that, but something like I'm expecting something like this, hopefully, and then we can do something like that and then fall down again. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting. So right now, my long-term bias is dollar bearish, but I can see a lot of potential that we're going to have a lot of small fun with their accounts, so we don't need to wait until September before we trade. Okay, that's all. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Question mark. Does anyone want a small story about today in Kenya? So say yes and no, and I will know what you guys are talking about. I started 20 minutes ago, brother. You're not back from vacation. Aw. Maida is not back from vacation. So yeah, she is doing well. What I'm used to here, so people said yes, no, nobody said no. What I'm used to is I'm used to elevation 0. Okay, 100 meters then. 100 meters above sea level, that's what I'm used to. Currently, where I am, I think it is 1,600 meters above sea level. For those who doesn't understand, if you go for a walk, okay, you get clogged in your legs starts to. This is not a nice thing. So one, it's a hilly place. One. Number two, I went for a run. It took me 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours to go for a run in a hilly place. It was sunny. I think I got some kind of sunburn, some kind of sun things that you're about to pass out and you hallucinate, because I did not bring water. I did not bring money and did not bring my phone. I just went on my own. Stupid. So I don't feel fit because I'm at 1,600 feet and I'm probably a bit fat. But yeah, so today I'm so unfit. I shouldn't have gone for a run and I'm exhausted. Difficult to breathe. Like my pulse is so high just by walking in the road. Like that shouldn't be difficult, should it? So there is one guy here who says, do EUR USD. All right, hold it. Okay. I've been watching too much Gabriel Iglesias. For those who hasn't seen Gabriel Iglesias on YouTube, you guys are missing out. This is the funniest Mexican, Spanish, American guy that I ever know. If you're into Indian, he has been to India. He has been to Middle East. Also a funny sketch. And Black Siri, it's funny as funny gets. Okay. If you're not seeing Gabriel Iglesias on YouTube, you guys are missing out. I've been laughing today. Okay. So, EUR USD. Why do I not expect bullish run for EUR USD? Because seasonality, one, euro should fall. Either tomorrow, what is in the next week? It is NFP. NFP this week is important and it might lead to more dollar bullishness. If we are seeing a positive number, we will see fluffy. We will. Yeah, I do run. Yeah, because I don't need to. I don't. Yeah, I need to run. So I don't, because I'm sitting here with you guys all the time. Martin. I'm thinking you're USD to 1930, 1960. Okay, that's you. And then sell area 1720. I don't understand that though, but okay, cool. Yeah. So my plan is here, brothers and sisters, is that what we saw on Friday was, hey, maybe we'll fall, and I hope we will fall. So around 1872 is I think is weekly M3, which is pivot points, which is just resistance here, and we all see resistance here. I think we should go down to 1750. First target, second target, get out at 1650. Get out at 1650. If it goes at the 1650, we are out, okay? Martin and Fluffy, we go out. And we just put, yeah. I'm not trying to swear here as well. Get out of there. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna get a potato. Yeah, a potato bottom. Yeah, I know. I already have that, so don't worry. Mr. Abbasi, thank you for following me on Instagram, by the way. But what I wanted to say there was, I think it's going to fall. I think we should go down to 73 or 72, 0.72 most. I will take my target there. Okay, cool. So anything else on euro? Is there upside target? Is there upside potential here? Yes, there is, but I don't know. I'm not going to do that now. And then I'm going to do with you guys. I'm going to do New Zealand dollar. And you're like, why? Why? Because investor hates it, and I love it. And I'm just going to do it to make him feel angry with me, because this one can rise 6 to 700 pips, 6 to 700 pips. And I just need to find out how far that is at the moment. If we get a rate increase, so at least, okay, at least 750, 75. Okay, cool, whatever. Up to 75. So what determines if there's a rate hike? Okay, there is something on Tuesday or Wednesday, unemployment rate, unemployment for New Zealand. That is, by the way, going to be the landmark for if they're going to increase interest rate or not. Okay. The other question is, does it look like we have priced in a rate hike? I would say no. Mostly because lately has been up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then I would say, hey, so how will that happen? It will happen in a skyrocketing way. It just says, poof. It will not happen in a day, but every single minute, you have to know where to go. So I'm going to tell you where to go. If we have a bullish trend, I'm not saying it will, but if then, your plan is if then. If you're going to have a bullish trend in New Zealand because of increased interest rates, here's the money maker, okay? 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes depending. Small time frame, small. And if you're trying to trade something like this, you need to 1, 2, 3 find support and sometimes just buy. So what would I do in a market where it goes so fast I can't even catch it? So I'm going to tell you a secret. Maybe not a secret to anyone, but to some it is. when you have a 1 hour candle, okay, it has 60 minutes. That is 60. Okay. What happens in these candles? Wicks. When does those wicks normally happen? 15 minutes prior or after the close. So in the beginning of 15 minutes of the beginning of the candle, that is when I'm mostly going to look for a pullback every hour if the market is so bullish that we can't even catch it. Okay. The other thing is market opens. Market open in London is the bullish one that runs it. So remember, this is high speed trading, by the way, don't worry. And it's only in specific cases like this one. Okay, cool. How's the weather? Is it hot? No, it's like 15 degrees. It's winter here. People are complaining it's winter. Okay. Should I follow Abasi? Okay, here we are. Abasi says something, and I'm gonna make him do it. I'm not gonna punch him. I'm gonna take his word. See, I'm going to my phone. I have Instagram open. He said I should have followed him back, and then I'm going to Noor Abasi. Here you can see that. We just need internet. Follow to entrepreneur, trader, and mentor. Okay, I have now. Hi Raj, can you do VTI? I will do that soon. Proof. Okay, I forgot to do proof. I've requested. Your account is private, bro. Why is your account private? Yeah. So I have done what is most important at the moment, and then I remember Mr. Mike said pound Aussie at some point. 1886.65. So just want to do that very briefly so I can be done with it out of my brain so I don't forget about it, I guess. You have entered bullishly 86. Okay. 86.65. Fantastic. Okay. Lovely. What do you need help with? So, first of all, now, so I'm not going to make you go out of that trade, okay? I'm not going to tell you anything about that. But what I would have said, and what I would have thought, I would have said if I see any lower lows below 1880, 1883, 88.30, I'll be like crazy. So if you get a lower low, get out. That's what I would do only. Can pound fall? Yes, it can. Can rise? Yes, it can. So follow as it rises up. Continue to follow it. But the moment it starts falling off the brim, no need for it. Okay. So the target for July is knocked out of the park. The other question is it going to 93? I would say so. Aussie is going to be weak. So yeah, if you have Aussie weak, you will get up to 93. So hold on. That's what I would do. But of course, you do you. It's not French for us whatsoever, but I will try to hold on as much as I can. Can you look at GU? I think I just looked at GU. I feel like I just did GU. Does someone else feel like I did GU? I can do GU. Would you still short it? Happy I am absolutely bang bang boom short on this one. My personal here is I just needed to reverse. Okay, so what is the game plan here? First of all, sell it around 139.50, give or take. Target at the 37 and 35.40. Okay, that is the pivot points. Then we can go to technical analysis. Yay, technical analysis. We have a technical analysis saying this is a double top, lower low, not lower low, lower low-ish, and then sell. So the real sell is if it breaks this low here, comes back up to 38 something, 40, 39, 39, that is actually the sell. So this is just getting traders out, and this is actually where it actually is bearish because it's lower than that low here. Here we are just chasing it, taking it a bit early. So what also could happen is could go up there and then reverse back down again and then fall. Okay, both scenarios should be in your brain, and you should be happy for both. Happy for both. Happy for both. And then take it down to 39. You're welcome, Michael. You're welcome. Long-time friend, always a YouTube member. You should also be a YouTube member, people. Like Michael. He's an awesome dude. Yeah. Can this go higher? Yeah, cool. You can go higher, but that is not in my plan. So I don't care. Straightforward, easy, tunnel vision, that's all. Okay? So I will then go back to what people said in the beginning, so I can go from this top and then go down. First one says pound yen. We can do pound yen first. Now, instead of what I want you to say, pound yen has the same situation here. And people have been asking, what's the trade plan for pound yen for the month? I already given it to you in the Discord, somewhere in this chat thing there. That's where it is, right there. Right there. Okay? The plan is here. You just need a lower low, lower than what it is right now, down to 152. Have a pullback. If you don't get the pullback, don't look at me. I don't control the market. That's what I want to see. See the difference? That's what I want to see. I don't predict the market. I dictate the market. And what I want to see for what I will trade. Differences here. And then falling down to 148, give or take. Okay? Yeah. And then it can turn around and go back up again. But that's the first trade plan that I have for August, mostly. Okay? There is a couple of interested meetings this coming month. There is an RBA on Tuesday. There is a Bank of England on Wednesday, Thursday, and there is a New Zealand one on the 18th. Okay, just reminded everyone about that. Cool, cool. What else? Are we happy today? If you came to this live and you're still angry, I'm sorry. But yeah, okay, pretty trade plan. And how do you execute? That's up to you. I cannot decide that for you. I have my rules. I've shown my rules. I will probably tell my rules again and again and again. I don't have confirmation at this moment to do it. It is not low enough for me to do it, but I will wait to do it, okay? Is this a lower low? Yeah. Maybe, okay? Maybe. New messages? You're the best. Oh, thank you. Oh, that shows. Yeah, I will put it up here. Look at that comment. You're the best. Oh, wow. What else? USDCAD is the other one to come up with. See, this is just because you need to be early in right now, okay? You need to be early. You need to be like there. You need to have those bell notifications on if you want me to cover your pair, right? So where are we now? USDCAD. Very fast in USDCAD. Okay, so there was a couple of troubles here. There has been a lot of violence, I would say, in South Africa. That doesn't necessarily help, but I don't know. Okay, so what do we see here? I honestly believe that this is just a support. But in any other case, I would say that's a double top, that's a lower low, that's a sell, and then down. But it doesn't fit the theme. Why would USD go opposite the whole market when the rest of us are like, well, we're going downtown? And if we're going downtown, this should go up. So what should be? But I should send you my plan, Harold, directly to you after I thought about it a couple of times. But yeah. So is here 1440 is a bit low. So if I'm going bullish on this one, it should be now. I don't want the price to go any lower if I'm going to bullish, but I'm not going to go bullish, so I want to short it. But in this current market, I just don't want to. I feel like a kid now. I don't want to. Martin. Okay. So what is August around? What is August like? That is a straight rocket ship there. Okay. August, straight rocket ship. Okay, that's 2 out of 2 is bullish on, and 3 out of 3 is straight rocket ship buy. Maybe that's a buy then. Yeah, that's a buy. Cool. Joseph Indiveri says, can you do pound dollar? I've already done pound dollar. You can go back in this video. You are very much welcome. So I feel like putting money on that one even. I feel like I bet you. So USD NOK, just for the reference here, has been falling ever since the Norwegian government said, the central bank said, we're thinking about supporting it. They have supporting it ever since, and still supporting it with something. I can't remember how many billions it is per month or whatever it is. Maybe it's 2 billion a day, kroner. So 200 million shilling, 200 million US dollars a day, I think it is. But yeah, so dollar is definitely running this show here. So I think we're actually, because of dollar, are going to continue higher. But I love dollar at 8. I love Norwegian kroner and dollar at 8.8. That's cool. It's better. So yeah, but most of my income comes from dollars. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So what was the other one? Eurodanske, mine danske venner. For those who don't understand, I just said Danish friends, by the way. But yeah, this is that is a bad idea. Okay, let's do something else. Keynote. So I'm sure to stop that thing. Yeah, this is risk off. Okay, this is risk off. This is risk on. Okay. So can we go down to 1? That's the question. And if we are tapering, I think it is. I think if you're not tapering, if you're not tapering, this is going to go to 2. I can't remember right now why I have a brain fart. We are going to go to 2 in the end, I guess. Dollar will then weaken. So just be aware of that. Okay? Cool. GG, I did GG, bro. Did you fall off the carousel? Yeah. So what else can I say here? Yeah. Okay, cool. So 10-year Chino is interesting just to look at for that purpose. S&P 500. Can somebody tell me about S&P 500? What should I think about? What is your opinion about? Is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar at the lower low since last year? We can look into that very soon. But what's your view on S&P 500? Do you want to buy it? Do you think it's going to crash? What's your feelings here, people? I want your opinions, because S&P 500, in my view, as we should trade it, is, are we bullish? Are we bearish? Is it positive for the market? Are we going to be about the future? Is the future a bit difficult? This is crazy. I can't stand it. Q3. I'm out. I think that there might be an even bigger dip coming. Okay. Yeah. Are we 100% up from the dip from last year, people? Are we 100% up from the fall? So if you put money in there, if you put $1 million in it, you should have 2 million by now. Okay. It's a parabolic S&P 500 at least. A correction is needed. I agree to that. Not crash, but correction really is needed. And it's funny. Trend, it's too parabolic. So it is 100% up. Remember, it can still go higher, and it is designed to go higher. Always. Do not fear falls. Falls is your friend. That's when you buy. Okay? That's when you buy. Of course, you don't buy until you die, but you buy on the way down so that, because it's designed to go higher. As long as the American economy doesn't crash, die, then yeah. Get some water for you. Oh yeah. Okay. US 10-year DXY is related. Yes, they are. How can they be traded pound dollar if US 10 is going uptrend? Okay, that's a different one. First of all, the bond market is the risk-free interest. It's the risk-free investment that you can do. Right now, you're getting 1.2. Pretty terrible investment, by the way. So you won't buy the you shouldn't buy the S&P 500 right now. No, the US 10-year, sorry, bond market. If you buy the bond market, the interest rate the yield goes down. So okay. What does that have to do with DXY? If the DXY and US 10-year is related as two opposite, not opposite, but is a reference of the same thing. So if DXY is going higher and the yield is going lower, both pound dollar will then fall because of a strong dollar. How can you then trade pound dollar? You can trade pound dollar by shorting it. Big high, sell low. Happy day. You're making me laugh. Don't make me come for you. Yeah, that's what we do. So my point is this is not what, but this is where you buy for your pension. Okay, this is your pension. Yeah. So on 2nd of August, there's a vote on the debt ceiling in America, and that's probably going to be lifted for the 1 millionth time. I don't know, what is it? It's been rising ever since the 90s, and it's never been lowered. And I think it's like the 17th time or something like that. It's been increased, and it's just, and in the 2000s, it's just gone through the roof. And don't tell me that Trump did not do anything about that. Okay? So, somebody said CAD yen. We can do CAD yen in a very short manner. Okay? CAD yen. I think we should go lower. Actually, I think we'll go to 87 or 86. We don't have the bearish momentum yet, but any lower lows will be seen to be a good thing. Wait for price to come back up again, and then boom, down again. So when do you look for those sells? If you see a lower low, wait a couple of 10 hours, maybe not 10 hours. Wait until maybe the evening or the morning, and then that's probably resistance. Happens. So yeah, cool. Downtown. We're going downtown. That's what I'm thinking. 87, 86, something like that. Okay. Somebody said EUR/CAD. Was it EUR/CAD? And then AUD was asked about. I will do that. And then AUD/CAD, EUR/CAD, or whatever that thing was, and then gold. Okay. So gold people, you need to get ready. You can get your ears sharpened. And then we can do that. So where is it? Crypto stock indexes, Aussie CAD. It is lower than October 2020, but not March. So it has some potential to fall. Yeah, it has some potential to fall. Was it selling that one? Was it Trader Nick that sold it? Or was it his friend that sold it? I can't remember. But someone did that. They are sharpened. Okay, so currently, yeah. So what would you do in this kind of situation here, brothers and sisters? You need to look for some kind of resistance and then sell it again. Okay? Boom! I forgot to do that. And then if you if you guys want merch, nice t-shirt. I love this t-shirt, by the way. Shop.ivanfx.com. Cool. I don't know. I feel like, and the only solution if you want to be a good trader is, yeah. What should I say? Yeah. Okay. So AUD/CAD is downtown. Okay, that's cool. What's the targets? 90. Yeah. 90 should be the target. Cool. And then was it EUR/CAD something? Someone said. I did. Is that a lower low since last year? Yeah, ish. Ish. I can't remember. Okay, cool. Whatever. Whoever it was. Check EUR/CAD. Thanks. Okay, mister. So what am I checking? Okay. What is there to check? Hakuna Matata. I'm not going to say Hakuna that next one, T. But you can just know what I mean. So I almost said that. Sorry. I'll wash my mouth. Hakuna Mongoka Nawe. I think it is something like that. And then it's just a range, brother. It's just brother. So nothing to do here. Nothing. Kind of bearish on dollar. Wow. I can't help him, brother. I can't help him. That guy is shifting opinion fast, and I can change my t-shirt. I'm sorry. But, Chernik, if you see this, please get your opinions together. No, my opinion is, what did I supposed to say? Point is, he's allowed to, and I probably do that myself, and I'm just having fun. Don't crucify him, but I will crucify him tomorrow. So gold. Where's gold gonna go? Where's the gold traders? Gold traders. Where's the gold traders? Where's the gold traders? Where are you? Come on, gold traders. Where are you? Gold traders, gold diggers, gold diggers. Gold diggers. Come on. I can see you there. And then we have, who did that? Who came in there? Mr. Pip Wheezy joined my Discord. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome. And then there was another guy earlier today, REDD. capital letters. Very much welcome to my Discord channel. We still have a bullish trend. That is great. So the fall on Friday was a bit harder than I thought. So I was like, maybe I should buy it here. And then I remembered, no, I'm not going to buy it there now. So this is kind of what we're given now, around 1814, 1810. Is there any buyers? Okay, I have to find that anywhere else. Okay, can we check that? Let's see if this doesn't ruin. Okay, this doesn't ruin everything. COT airport. Oh, I spilled something. Did I press something? And then we go to Tradester, and then we go to gold. Just need to double check that we have all the COT in check. As far as I remember, this should be more buyers coming in ish, something small, but we shall see. Okay. Gold to the moon. Okay, so this is not what I want to see. Oh, dang it. Buyers took, oh yeah, more sellers took profit. Oh, I thought it was 7K buyers taking profit, but it was 7K sellers taking profit and 3K, 3.5K buyers taking profit. Okay, cool. So we're still a bit more bullish, but not even close to what we did last year. Okay. So coming into August, it seems like there's like a downtrend there-ish, but last year we just went higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, and then kind of topped out there around the beginning of August. But nah, okay. Nah, okay, yeah, but so nothing new there then. Just random walks in the park. People are not really committed. Something. Yeah, okay. So it's just another day in the depressed world of traders. Vantage. Cool. So gold to the moon. So that's gonna work. Okay, so what are we watching here? First of all, what I'm watching is, as long as price is not below 1790, I think it's going to go up. And I want it to go to 1900. Woo! Can it go higher? Maybe not. Maybe something. Maybe yes. Maybe not. Frankie says, thanks for the info. I thought you were Norwegian. But anyways, thank you. Oh, look, Norwegian. Those who want to speak Norwegian to me, you can go to Google Translate. It's very easy for you. And then you can translate whatever you want to say in Norwegian, and I won't be blushing, but I will be, you will set me out. I will, because when you are in Kenya or somewhere else, you attach anything that is familiar to you, because the language is not familiar to you. The heat and the people and the house and the stove, everything is, even the socket. And so, some chocolates from Norway, some Norwegian words sometimes would be nice. Homesickness is always there. Am I going home? No, I'm not. So 1790 is the bottom I don't want to break. And whatever we did on Friday was okay, cool, whatever, good, and then we can take it higher. Don't go lower, we take it higher from here, okay? That's what we do. Next week's on gold, 1807 support and 1828 resistance. That's just short term. We have to break 1828. As long as gold does not stabilize under support of 1807, it will move again towards the 1820, 1828. So that is very small time frame, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday kind of a thing, Mr. Abbasi. So I understand where you're trying to go, but you need to have a longer term because you need to have a bigger view. Because if you are going to say, hey, where's gold going to go? That was the range here you were talking about, okay? You were talking about a range here. But gold has moved way more than that range there. And for that matter, it has moved all the way since 2040 down to 1680. That's a $400 move. So for us to talk about $20 in a 400 move has very little to it. Short term, maybe yes, but when we talk about a weekly forecast, we talk about weekly outlooks, we look at monthly outlooks for August, maybe also this outlook for the rest of the year. Yeah, we need longer term. Happy day, I love you. Happy day says he has gone to Google Translate and he said this text has absolutely not been translated by Google Translate. that's my math. Fantastic. All right. So yeah. So where do we think it's gonna go? Is it 1900 area, or is it 1600 area? Okay, that's kind of the bigger picture. And then we will start to debunk it. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? What is the current market at the moment? And I would say that we are pretty okay. So let's see. This is bullish. This is bullish. This is bearish. I will make that red. And if we go lower here, if you break that low, we are bearish. Okay? So far we are bullish. Still in the green. Maybe do something else? Cool. Who else? Okay, so what are the other trading pairs to look out for? Somebody asked me about the Swissy dollar sometime. No, no Swiss dollars, Swissy yen. I don't trade that anymore. Sorry, people. That's not up to me. That's not up to me. That's not up to me. Fluffy. Oh, somebody said about something about re-register. Look like I'm a member. Do I need to register? I think you need to do that, Ahmad. I don't know why though. Don't look at me. Swissy. We can look at USD Swissy at the moment. Momentum. Gold, yen pairs, not the yen pairs. Oil will do oil too. So July on USD Swissy. We nailed that one. That was fantastic. And what else? What's seasonality? USD Swissy? Is there any seasonality thing out there? Maybe there is. Maybe there is. Okay. So Swissy becomes stronger in the beginning and then weakens off. Okay. So, okay. So what do we want to do with Swissy at the moment? If we start looking at stronger, we might see this one go higher. But for me, it's a difficult one. This one go lower, this one go higher. I don't have any opinion here. The reason it's difficult to have an opinion is that difficult place at the moment. It can just continue to fall with the trend, and it can turn around. So I will leave my remarks with that and say adios. I will see you another time. Maybe we'll see another time again, but I will hope for the upside, though. I will hope for the upside. So if you get a price higher on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever, something like that, you can buy the support and then boom. That's kind of what I would hope for. And then hope for prices up to 93. 92.80. Then I will go through the yen pairs that was requested for. Oil, sorry. First, oil. So my small is that we are going to fall in the first couple of days in August. So fall a bit at least, maybe down to 70 before going higher. So that's kind of my only mission, my only kind of I want this to happen is for this one to fall tomorrow. Doesn't need to do anything else and just fall tomorrow. Then my whole mission for us August is completed. Can these go higher? Can these go lower? I think it could still go higher because we have still have inflation, and inflation is generated by this one. So yeah, where do you trade? How do you trade this then? How do you put the best trades out there? And I would say this market is difficult. I would say that it's not straightforward. Okay, I'm just looking at it and thinking at the moment. Investor says, yeah, Ivan says teaches. Australian dollar, have already done that in the beginning. Thank you. We'll do go for dinner. Okay, cool. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. True war. So Australian US oil is a difficult place, but I think you can still hope for to reach a target for buyers this month at around 82. I wouldn't like it, but I think we can still hope for it. But I think you have to take it down. I would like to take a downtown. I would look for any short opportunities today or tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I would hope for. Let's go with Australia. Australia, mate. First of all, what is it? It is lockdown. It is China. It is some support and resistance. We have lower lows, lower highs. This could have been a bullish move. So any price coming up to resistance at around 81 should be considered to be selling opportunities only. Support above 81.50. Stop loss, sorry, above 81.50. That's kind of the thing. And then hopefully that will go well. Second week of August, there is no ping meeting. That's always interesting. So then they will price in what they would think will be the outcome of that meeting, and there will be a lot of rumors, selling price up, selling price down. But shouldn't OPEC increase supply? I don't know if they will. Them increasing supply, so maybe all will fall because of that. Okay. Yeah, I think we're going to go downtown at the moment. What was the target for us, yen? What was the target, Mike? 78? Yeah, 78. We take 78 every time of the day. Yeah. Yeah. And then like every time, you know. So how there's a lot of pairs that I want to trade. So how do I trade this? I take small lots. I take small, but then once I get going, I start adding. Put to break even, add trade. Put to break even, add trade. And then if I can trade 5 to 7 pairs, maybe, hopefully just 2, that would be nice. Pound dollar and pound yen. That would be great, minimally, and then up to 5, depending on which one gives me the resistance I want. CAD yen we have done already, I guess. So we don't have the bearish momentum. We don't have the bearish momentum so far, but down to 86. Cool. Euro yen, we don't have the bearish momentum yet, but we are going down to 127.48. Cool. That's what we do. Wait, update tomorrow. Ask me again, how is it tomorrow? And then pound yen is kind of a low, at least on this time frame here. And just wait for price to come back up again and then take it down again. All that takes down to 48, sorry, 148. Down to 148. New Zealand dollar is probably the one that I'm not going to sell. I'm just going to see. Does it go bullish? Maybe it goes bullish. I had made a bearish trade plan. I kind of regret that. So maybe if you can get a bearish trade before the interest rates, but it will all depend on tomorrow. Oh, Tuesday, on the unemployment rate data point. If that is 4.5, this is going to go boom. If it's not 4.5, it's going to be wiggly. If it is higher than 4.7, we're probably going to see. It all depends on that move at the moment. Okay, so it's not bullish yet, but any price above 77.50 is considered to be bullish. So there you go. USD yen is always a difficult one for me, and nothing is different today, other than somebody sold here. They got into profit, went back up again into their entry, and back down again. That's kind of the nonsense of USD yen. It goes back to entry. Can you add some of the vital trades to your Discord channel? I would probably do that. I will try. I don't know why. I don't do it. Am I scared? Am I lazy? Probably the last one more than anything else. I think it is basically I still eating, right? So when I trade, I don't necessarily think, oh, I should tell people. I'm like, nice, because I can have some trades. I can show you plenty of them, by the way. I have some trades where it takes a split second and I got that entry there. And it's gone. By the time I start clicking or something, it's gone. And then you get a worse price. So, sorry about that, but that's kind of the world of it. But I will try. Okay? But also, it's only for you to see if I do make profit or not. Will I? I will. But someday. I'm laser focused. I have all my plans out. I'm going to start adding orders when the market opens, and I'm gone. London Open, I'm ready to go. I'm super pumped. This is going to be amazing, and I see no fear. Right? Do you see any fear in me? I see no fear in me. The reason why I see no fear in me is because I believe there's going to be a good future. Always going to be a good future. And if you're like, what's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? Well, there is a mentorship for you. You can't be in this trade and think what is happening next, what is going on, what is this happening. You need knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Okay, cool. I see you another time. My wife needs me now. Apparently, we're going to be 45 minutes. It's now 1 hour and 10 minutes. So until tomorrow, and in Discord channel, have a great day. I see you then. Boom. Booyah.